Hello, little update to my quest to find Red Arrow's red paint. The last time I made a video about this, I showed you the extra colour Red Arrow's red, which was orangey colour, which may look like that on photographs, but that's not what they're calling it for. They're calling it for red. So I've bought Tamiya X-7, which says red, but it's insignia red, and it's that colour. If that shows it up very well. It's darker perhaps on in daylight. I won't open it because it smells a bit, because it's the type of acrylic paint it is, and I'm in my room. But earlier, previously, I painted a bit on the wing I showed before, and as you can see, compared to the extra colour, it's very much more red, isn't it? Looks a bit pink on that on this camera, but it's quite a deeper red. But it's much nearer to what I'm looking for, and it's also closer to the pot of red which comes with the kit, but which isn't enough of it to use. 238 is the colour they ask for, but I've got two red arrows, and I can't get the paint at the moment, but there we are. There's two colours, both red apparently, both probably suitable for red arrows. I'm not sponsored, but that's the paint I'm using on this camera in artificial light. I'm not sure what the temperature of the light is, but there you go. That's one red compared to red. Alright, enough. Bye for now.